Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Sony LinkBuds with your PC. You have to start by click on the Windows icon, now go to Settings, Devices, add Bluetooth. Now open the charging case and after that press and hold connectional button for at least 3 seconds. Until we can see that LED light starts flashing blue. Here we go. Now we should see it on the list. And just click on it. Then done. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!